What's up, Gramps? So we've been working on the track for the past week. Well, not like we've been doing anything.
Yeah.
Luckily, we had some good operators this time.
Shoot, it's hot.
It's a little bit hot. It's only 41 degrees for all you non-Arab country living people. Track's all smoothed out after what, 3.5 months of us not riding it?
Yeah, 3.5 months of no riding and very weathered.
Yeah, there was so much soft sand that blew onto the track from all the winds. Because in the desert things get really windy and obviously really sandy. So we've just been trying to fix that, smooth out the corners, fix the jumps. So yeah, we got here a little bit earlier than the rest of the guys, just to set everything up, make sure everything's fine. And yeah, we'll get some GoPro footage of the track soon. And then me and Gramps over here will throw it down later.
I'm just gonna try and ride my dirt bike. And we're coming in to the first turn of Talladega
Nights.
I'm on fire!
Come on, go for it, hit it.
We're not going anywhere. Chances are the fucking thing will dig into the sand and roll.
As long as it's on camera, then it's all that matters.
Hey, what about my bike?
Oh, that's true. Matilda's alive and well.
Just, we're gonna pull into the pits to do a tire change quickly.
I think we need to tell the people that we aren't actually 15 years old.
No.
Oh, well. So this is the one track that we've got. The other one on the right hand side for the beginners and the kids. We use Garmin watches and we use Strava just to log our laps and stuff like that, as well as our lap times. I just thought I'd show you guys what our track looks like, you know, before it gets all rutted and stuff. We've been working on the track, so that's why it looks like the way it does. It's super smooth. I don't really enjoy riding a track like this because it's more like a highway. There's no ruts, there's no braking bumps, none of the rough stuff, which I actually enjoy. So it's just super fast, but I thought I'd let you guys see what it looks like before, because, you know, with sand, it gets really rutted and really deep very quickly, especially because this is just deep sea sand. And we kind of have to build things differently. Like this jump that's coming up right now, we've built the face super steep. So as you can see, you go straight up instead of forward. Just to preempt that, you know, as time goes, that the lines will break down and it'll actually, you know, when you jump, you go forward instead of straight up. So it's just, we have to build things differently because this is what we have. And just to let you guys know what we run Michelin Starcross 5 sand paddles. It's a half paddle, it's still a motocross tire. And we run about 1 bar, super low pressure, just so we can get maximum traction in this deep stuff. But yeah, you know, this is just to show you in a bit of a comparison how it's going to look in a while, you know, once all the guys have started riding and all the lines start forming, which is when it gets really fun. So enjoy. Etten, son.
Oh.
Yes. Yes, you make your mother proud. Check this guy. It's matchy matchy. Yes. You know it's a good day at the track when you're chowing watermelon. Sunset. You nice. It was in this right here moment right now, right there over there, that I realized I done effed up real damn good.